This is Vienna. My wife named her because she's just a little sausage. My name is Jeff Luengen, and I live in Elkhorn, Wisconsin with my wife, Millie. I've been in the music industry for 41 years in sales and marketing and pretty much all aspects of it. My health history is started with my heart attack in 1983. Subsequent bypass surgery, that within about 6 months my grafts had closed up, and there didn't seem to be a lot of options at the local hospital, and we made arrangements to go to Mayo Clinic for a second opinion. And at that point we were successfully treated for about 10 to 15 years with medication protocol. And in 1990 I had to repeat the bypass surgery as the disease had progressed, and that lasted for about 15 years. And at that point I had two arteries that were 90% closed, and they went back in, put stents in. One closed within 2 or 3 days of the time it was put in. At that point I was put on a study program at Mayo called the Genesis study, which really produced amazing results for me in a very short period of time, and brings me to where I'm at today, which is able to function pretty normally for most of the day and doing most of the things that I need to do to work and have fun. My initial thoughts going into the Genesis study were I was very comfortable with it because of my experiences at Mayo Clinic, and knowing that for the most part I've always felt that they've been very conservative about the approach that they take to things, so I was not concerned about any of the health hazards or any of the side effects that might occur. I didn't know what to expect, but I felt that the results one way or another would benefit me, either by knowing that it didn't work and we would have to find another solution to it, or by finding that there was a solution to my immediate problems with the chest pains. I don't think there's any place that I've ever been that is anything quite like Mayo, and there's always a comfort on the part of knowing that the people there really seem to be very knowledgeable about what they're doing. If there's a question about anything related to my health, I'm referred immediately to a specialist in another area. So I'm very comfortable when I go there that they're making and helping me to make the right decisions for my health care. Mayo Clinic is such an unusual place because it's as large as it is, you don't feel like you're being treated as a number. Things happen so quickly at Mayo, you don't have time to think about it, and it makes you more comfortable. And I know when I go there for a problem that it's not going to be weeks, it's going to be days before we get an answer and start talking about a treatment and a solution. I guess the thing I would like to say most to the health givers there is that you've all been an important part of my life and my health care, and a blessing.